This over here is the 2019 Tucson N Sport. Production year 2016 to 2019. As you can see, this car looks beautiful. Look at the side profile, look at the side skirts, the 19-inch alloy. This is so beautiful. When it comes to the front, look at the car, look at the aggressiveness, the beefy front bumper. This is a work of art. Hyundai knew what they were doing here. Look at the silver lining and the end badge, the silver touches on the door handle, those 19-inch alloys again. And the most important part about the car, it's the back with the quad exhaust, the 4 pipes. They are not just for show, as you can see, they are real. There is no fakery here, just like in those other manufacturers. This is beautiful with the nice rear diffuser, aggressive bumper. This is beautiful. Now subscribe, ring that bell and notification so that you can be notified when I upload the full review video of the